The custom JAGGER menu ribbon for Word was designed specifically for use when editing or creating contracts using the JAGGER Word authoring app. With this ribbon, you can highlight placeholders, track changes, add comments, and much more from simply one menu location in Word. First, download the ribbon UI file. Save it to an easily accessible location on your local computer. In your Microsoft Word application, use the menu at the top to select File and then Options. In the pop-up window, choose Customize Ribbon from the menu. Under the column on the right, click the Import/Export button and then select Import Customization File. Locate the UI file that you saved on your computer and then click Open. If you see a warning about updating the current customization settings, click Yes. Click OK to save your changes and close the Options window. Now you'll see a ribbon titled JAGGER or SideQuest depending on which version of the file you've accessed. If you've accessed the file that results in the ribbon titled SideQuest, you can easily modify it and rename it to say JAGGER. Simply right-click on the ribbon, customize the ribbon, and from here in the menu, if you right-click and say Rename, you can call it JAGGER. Then click OK to save your changes. This custom collection of Microsoft Word tools and features can decrease the navigation and editing time needed for authoring contracts, getting the most out of the Contracts Plus solution.